Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Please subscribe. I really appreciate you coming to my video. Today I will be doing an extreme deep cleaning of my master bedroom. It's super dusty and it's just time to get it done. The first thing I do anytime I clean any room is I open up the windows so that when I start dusting things off, everything just kind of goes outside. First things first, I'm going to strip my bed of all the sheets. I'm going to be washing every single thing on my bed. This particular day, I really needed to wipe down my ceiling fan, just give it a good deep cleaning and move on to my windowsills and my windows. My floors were super dusty. I mean, there's kids' toys all over underneath the bed. I could just see it when I popped my head under. So I'm going to be moving the bed and cleaning really thorough underneath, just doing whatever I can to deep clean this room. This is like totally long overdue. I've been neglecting this room, so I'm actually feeling really satisfied that I'm going to be taking care of it all today. So I encourage you to grab your favorite cleaning scents and clean along with me. I'm going to go ahead and put on some fun music so that we can clean together.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the lead. Oh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide. Baby, 'cause
I was really shocked at the amount of yuck, gunk and buildup that I saw on the fan. We run the fan a lot since it's really hot here, so it really needed to get done. Pretty much on every surface that I'll be cleaning today, I am using the Method Anti-Bac. I absolutely love it, and it fights all the gunk and germs that I've got going around my house. If you have not tried this, I really encourage you to give it a try. You can purchase it at Grove Collaborative. It's where I buy all of my products. It's super easy. You could be a VIP member, and the first time you sign up, you get a free 5-piece set. It's totally worth it even just to get that set. All of their products are non-toxic and everything that they sell there is all natural. And being a VIP member, you get free shipping, and they ship out a package to you every single month with whatever you like in it. I'll go ahead and list the link below in the description. It's so worth it even just to get the 5-piece set. So check it out, I'll link it below. These windows here are extremely difficult to clean. My husband insisted on having this whole gym set up in our master bedroom. I am currently on a mission to get him to agree to putting these in our guest bedroom so that I can set up a vanity that I've always wanted to set up. Wish me luck, but for now I'm gonna have to maneuver around his weight set.
I don't even try. Gone in the deep end tonight, tonight, tonight. I just wanna love ya. 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 Girl, you're making it so hard. Girl, you're making it so hard. Boy, you know you're making it so hard, so hard, so hard. up on you, but I can't. You know I can't. Saw your name on my phone, yeah. You only call when you want it. Babe, I gotta be honest. You know my body never known better. It's like an upgraded business.
You mess me up and I miss it.
We keep dancing with the devil, but he's never gonna let go. Should be pulling away from the fire. Should go, but I don't even try. Gone in the deep end tonight, tonight, tonight. I just wanna love ya. 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 But you're making it so hard. But you're making it so hard. But you know you're making it so hard, so hard, so hard.
About once a week, I like to get my handy dandy favorite product, which is Folex and a white rag, and just go around my canvas headboard in bed and any little fingerprints or foot marks to get out. Folex is amazing. All of the stains and grime comes out like instantly with Folex. So I'm going to go ahead and go around my entire bed and spot clean it. My kids love to climb on the side of the bed to get on the bed, so naturally there's a lot of dirt in areas where they would step on it. Yuck, I told you guys there's a lot of stuff underneath that bed. There's all these miscellaneous toys, a random laptop, my handy dandy tray that I use when I sit in bed and edit my videos. All this stuff needed to be picked up because it was getting really dusty. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly vacuum it up with my favorite vacuum, which is the Dyson. If you guys do not have a Dyson, I swear it is life-changing, especially if you have kids. Sweeping hurts my back and my shoulders, so I use my Dyson vacuum to clean up literally every single mess on my floor. If you do not have one, I'll go ahead and link them below so you can do some research and take a look. There's also cheaper options out there for vacuums as well, but I really cannot do anything without this vacuum. So if you don't have one, consider it to save yourself some time and energy. This charging station here that I'm about to show you, there it is. Simicore is absolutely amazing. I am always losing my chargers and my devices. We've got a lot of kids, we've got a lot of tablets. My husband and I each have 2 phones. This is just a great way to keep all of your devices charged at one time and organized. I will go ahead and leave a link below. I purchased it at Amazon. It is literally a lifesaver and a great organization tool. almost done deep cleaning this bedroom. It literally took me 3 hours to do this. I sped it up for you guys like quadruple time because otherwise I'm sure you guys would get super bored. But finally I am at the stage where I am making my bed. I always use a protective mattress pad cover. It is like a necessity when you have children. I don't let them obviously eat or drink in my bed, but you never know if they're going to be relaxing and have an accident, and who can afford to keep buying mattresses or keep cleaning them over and over and over. So if you don't have a protective cover mattress pad, it's probably a good idea to get one. I wash my sheets at least once a week. I love fresh, clean sheets. It's just so relaxing and makes me sleep better at night. Funny thing about this, as I was filming this, I realized that one of my pillows was missing. Somehow, while I was filming this video, one of my little ones came in and stole one of my pillows, and I could not find it. So you'll see at the end of this video how I made my bed and I'm missing a pillow. It was driving me crazy. I still have to find it. This Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Room Spray in the honeysuckle scent is absolutely heavenly. It has this like fresh, sweet scent, and I love to use it on my linens. I'm not going to be putting my comforter and my duvet cover on at this moment because my husband's not home and I need him to help me do it. When the two of us do it together, it is just such an easy task. So I'm going to wait for him. But for now, I'm going to put this super velvety, soft, brand new gray blanket that I got at Costco. It's so cozy for the fall. Alright, that's it. I am finally done, nice and sparkly and clean. I hope this gave you some motivation to tackle your mess. Please do not forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one.